Have you ever wanted to capture the raw emotion of a masterpiece? In this guide, we'll draw Isha from Arcane's second season, the unforgettable moment in episode 6. Follow along as I take you through 23 simple steps to bring this scene to life. Let's dive in. But before we begin, here's something exciting. In the description below, you'll find a link to an exclusive collection of 20 hand-drawn cartoon cat coloring pages. These aren't your everyday cats, they're astronauts in space, snorkelers exploring the deep sea, drummers rocking out on stage, and even skateboarders and magicians. And it doesn't stop there. Soon, you'll find even more designs like 20 different dog breeds in unique settings. So don't wait, get your set today and start coloring magic. All right, let's get started. Step 1 is all about setting the foundation for your drawing. We'll create a base sketch of Isha's face, focusing on her expression and the shape of her hat. Here's a tip: don't press too hard with your pencil. These lines are just the scaffolding for your masterpiece, and we'll erase them later once the structure is complete. With the base sketch in place, you're ready to move on to the next stages, where we'll add depth and detail to really capture Isha's expression. Stay tuned, this is where the magic happens. And here it is, the finished drawing of Isha from Arcane's Season 2. Look at the depth, the emotion, and all those details that truly bring this iconic scene to life. Amazing work if you followed along. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to take your creativity even further, check out the link in the description below. There, you'll find a step-by-step guide on our website with even more tips to refine your art. And don't forget to grab our exclusive cartoon cat coloring pages. From an astronaut cat in space to a rock star cat on stage, these hand-drawn designs are waiting for your imagination. Plus, new collections like 20 unique dog breeds in different settings are coming soon, so keep an eye out. Enjoyed this video? Show your support by giving it a like, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below to share your thoughts, and let me know how your Isha drawing turned out.